Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining how you could use Stockfish, so let's get right into it. Now, you'll see that I am on the chess.com site, but as far as I know, it is not exactly possible to use Stockfish on this site. Now, Stockfish is an engine, a chess engine rather, on its own, and you can download the source code from the internet. However, it is not possible to use it on chess.com at the current moment without some very severe modifications. You could use some other sites. I know Lichess works well and Arena also works well, and you can integrate Stockfish to that so that you can pretty much have an overview of your moves and blunders and mistakes while you're playing chess. But that's pretty much it for that. I'm pretty sure you cannot use it on chess.com at the current time. I have seen some people use it on mobile phones, however, I'm not sure how to do that, and I'm not sure how you can do that on the PC if it is even possible. But that is pretty much it. Otherwise, you could download another executable or another program with which you can use Stockfish natively on your device and not on the site. But that is pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.